We just finished watching. Anong palabas yun, Mai? Hello. What palabas was that, Hannah? Can you pronounce the palabas?
Hard to pronounce, man.
They're right at the center of Vienna. No, that's the Vienna Opera House. We had our dinner in a Chinese resto. What's the name of the Chinese resto?
Noodles with a Z.
Noodles with a Z. No, so far is the most authentic Chinese resto. This is right at the center of Hello Vlog.
Hi. Ay.
Hindi natin
Hi.
Ito lang center lang. Few minutes lang siya. Kaya lang 1 minute. This is right at the center of Vienna. This is the Vienna Opera House. No? We just watched a German opera. Nice. This is the center. You have the public transport here. Because tomorrow we'll be leaving for Prague in the Czech Republic. So just taking final shots here. No? Final photo. So very efficient yung public transport, no? System yun. You just ride that. It's numbered. There's a set location, then set time also. You can check online yung schedule. Public transport is very good here in Vienna, and so you see a lot of mga police. The visibility is very good. Okay, so it's time to go. Bye bye Vienna, Austria. Okay, let's go na. Saan tayo pasok? Dito? Okay, so naka 2 minutes na ako eh. We're going down sa subway, no? This is from the center of the city mismo. Baka lang, no? Very lipat ka sa kabila, then there's a schedule na tram, sakay ka lang, baba ka sa nearest na street kung saan ka nakatira. Sa amin naman, we're staying sa isang Airbnb. What's the name? Guest Hello?
Yes.
Guest Hello? Huh?
No aircon, but lots of heaters.
Okay.